Starting day trading at 50 plus sounds crazy to many people. And to be honest, sometimes it feels crazy to me too. I have spent the last 30 years building a career in IT management, successfully. My name is Jochen, I'm 57 years old, from Germany, and this is my first YouTube channel and also my first YouTube video. Welcome to my second chapter. For decades, my life was defined by structure, long-term planning, delivering value to my clients, reliable processes. Very German, you could say. But I always felt a pull towards true independence, where my success was 100% dependent on my own discipline and analysis. So I decided that I needed change. Trading wasn't about getting rich for me. It was about challenge, learning, and proving to myself that I can still grow. Starting at my age also means starting with doubts. Am I too old? Can my brain still handle the speed? Can I deal with losses? Right now, I'm not doing as well as a trader as I would like to. Here's the honest part. Day trading is one of the hardest things I've ever tried. I lose money, I overtrade, I get on tilt, my patience sucks. Some days I question everything. And no, watching YouTube videos doesn't magically fix that. But what surprised me most isn't the charts. It's the mental and physical stress. See, I was very successful in my first career. Climbed the corporate ladder very high. Always in action, always active. This does not count anything in trading. After 50, you think you have emotional control. Then you take a huge loss in 60 seconds and you realize you have to unlearn decades of conditioning. Some days are frustrating. Some feel overwhelming. There are days where I sit in front of the screen and feel the tension immediately. The eyes, the shoulders, the stress, the fear of making another mistake. I want to learn to control my emotions, improve my discipline, and develop a real process. But I'm not there yet. I'm getting better, but I'm not yet there. I'm starting this channel for one simple reason. I couldn't find any real stories out there that relate to my situation. I believe there are many people like me, people who are a little bit older, who start late, who don't want hype, but honesty. People who want to see a real journey, not a highlight reel. That's why I'm documenting everything. On this channel you will see weekly recaps, the mistakes I make, what I learn, how I deal with discipline and fear, how I work on my routines, honest reflections, and absolutely no hype. My goal is simple, to become consistently profitable one day. It might take a year, or 5, or maybe it never happens. But I'm willing to try, and I'm willing to show the truth. And if you are also struggling, or learning, or starting late, then maybe you'll find some value in watching my journey. And if you are a beginner, an older professional looking to make a change, or just someone who appreciates a brutally honest look at the markets, I invite you to join my story. If you're also struggling, especially later in life, you are not alone. This is my honest journey to become profitable, step by step. Please hit the subscribe button and join me in this journey. See you in the next video.